A wonderful morning to one and present here. Myself Ishita Pandey from the theme Samriddh Bharat, who is going to demonstrate about saliva-based glucose detection strip. The purpose of this is a non-invasive disposable strip which will be used to detect the presence of glucose in the saliva. The strip components and the structure would be saliva collecting pad, which would be made up of cotton or cellulose, which will help to collect the saliva. The second one is filter paper, which will remove all the dirties from the saliva. The third one would be reaction zone, which would be of Whatman paper or nitrocellulose enzyme, which contains the reagents that react with the glucose. The fourth one is backing layer, which would be made up of plastic strip to provide the structural support. And the last one would be the indicator window, which would be a normal transparent opening which will display the changes in the colors to identify whether the person is diabetic or non-diabetic. The glucose oxidase GOX, which helps to convert the glucose into H2O2, and the use of chromogenic dye, which will be helping to detect the color present in the saliva. The next one which we will be used is the buffer solution of pH 6 to 7, which is slightly acidic to ensure the proper enzymatic activity. Now, how does it works? It is a total biochemical reaction where two types of reaction will be taking place, and the color intensity would be directly proportional to the concentration of glucose. For example, if there is 0 mg of glucose present, then the color intensity will be 0, means the shade will be white. If it is from 0.5 to 2, it will show the low color intensity and the color will be pale blue, and this will vary according to the concentration of glucose present in the saliva. Its storage is quite simple. We have to store this strip in totally airtight pouches, and if you want to store it for a longer time, use refrigerators. Otherwise, its life would be just 2 to 4 weeks at room temperature. So, how to know that whether a person is diabetic or non-diabetic? If the glucose percent is less than 0.5, the color would be white, which means it is hypoglycemia. If it's from 0.5 to 2, that means the person is having normal and the color would be pale blue. If it's 2.1 to 5, it means the person is in the situation of pre-diabetic and the color would be sky blue. And if it is more than 5 to 10, then if the person is between 5 to 10, then it's diabetic and the color would be deep blue. And if onwards, it is a highly diabetic condition and the color will be even more darkened. Thank you and have a nice day.